Boom, baby. Black cod from the Monterey Bay out here in Death Valley. Little honey roasted macadamia nut toffee over with a little bit of brown butter, lemon greens. Should be nice. We're gonna do a quick stuffed black cod today. Get some lemons in here. We got some thyme. Simple wrap. This has been soaking in buttermilk for about an hour now. Go ahead and get them started now. Grill's gonna drop down to about 350. And that's what we're shooting for. It's at 400 now. Gonna finish these with a little honey roasted macadamia nut that we're gonna blast with a little bit of tequila at the end there. Little oil already down in the pan. Little honey roasted macadamia nuts. Got a little bit more heat here. That with a little bit more brown sugar. Bring that down. Just a quick little saute on these. Finish that a little honey over. And beautiful. Now we're just gonna finish this over our black cod in just a moment here once it's done. And now we'll get into sauteing up our brown butter lemon greens. Fish is working. Start off with a real small amount of butter. We're gonna brown that up real quick. Shouldn't take too long, it was already room temp. Brown butter, if you've never made it, it's just as it sounds. We're bringing it to brown. For the amount of greens we're doing, probably squeeze about a half lemon in there, and then toss our greens in that and saute it up in this. And should be a nice little meal out here in the desert. I was gonna pre-season this a little bit here. I always use unsalted butter because I like to add my own salt in. I don't want anyone telling me, oh, this is salted. That's not enough salt. I'll tell you what's enough salt. Start to saute that down. Coming along. Let's take a look at our fish. Ooh. Ooh. That's happy. It's pretty good for a vegetable. All right. Okay. Pulled these, they're sounding good. Already gave them a flip earlier. The way I wrapped them, you know, they're more or less kind of getting like a bake in here. Woo! Juicy. Boom, baby. Black cod from the Monterey Bay out here in Death Valley. Little honey roasted macadamia nut toffee over with a little bit of brown butter, lemon greens. Check our website for the recipe that I makeshifted as we went along, and hope you enjoy it.